Hey, I'm excited to be talking about a topic that's relatively newer for me as of July 2020. I'm recording this. I want to let you know that, like almost everything in my practice, you can you have choice. You can choose the level of intensity of platonic intimacy that I share with you and like how I um, interact and connect with you. Um, Other words might be like how close kind of we are emotionally or how expressive we are. Um, but I think it's easier. I'll just give you a couple examples. So I'm basically going to say the same basic message, but this first example, will be like with less intimacy. I'd say like less intensity, less close. Um, I want to let you know that I really support you. I really support your goals. I think you are a beautiful person, and yeah, I really want to let you know that I think you can do this. I think you can create this in your life, and I I'd love to support you and cheer you on, help you as much as you'd like. Cut. Next example. um, with I'm gonna like probably like really turn it up to the maybe to the like strong end on the spectrum of greater intimacy. So maybe if we're in a person session, like looking in each other's eyes and maybe being closer, maybe holding hands, and I want to let you know that I really, really stand for the possibility of you getting this in your life. I want you to have this. You are such a beautiful, strong, incredible person. And you deserve this. I feel it in my soul. I feel it in my body. I want you to have this. And I want to let you know I have fully got your back. I am completely on your side, rooting for you. And I know you can do this. You can co-create this in your life. I'm going to be here to support you, to encourage you and help you as much as you'd like. Cut. Um, and yeah, that's like a real example I'm thinking about. It's something that I would say in a real session. And I was speaking it to someone was kind of that kind of asked me, or that I just want to like respond to their question a little bit with this video. Um, so those may like, at least the last one was kind of more extreme, and it's like a spectrum. It doesn't have to be one or the other; it can be anywhere, kind of along that spectrum of intensity or expression. Um, and we can change it at any time, any moment, within a session or within our um, relationship together. Maybe it's different today than it is 6 months from now or 6 years from now. I can go either way. Um, yeah, a couple thoughts on why this may be valuable for you to like choose or communicate about your preferences around that. Uh, One, maybe at sometimes less intense, less intimacy will make it feel easier for you, for us to work together. If I'm more intimate, more expressive, it may, at a certain time, it may make it harder for you to keep working together if it really brings up like super strong feelings of attraction or like feeling in love, or things like that. That, so maybe communicate, hey, let's make it a little less intense, and then we keep working together, and help you create what you want in your personal life. Um, Another reason is maybe just feel more comfortable for whatever reason. Yeah, I guess either being stronger or less strong. It doesn't have to be a specific reason, but we all just have our preferences. Maybe more just like chill and not so intense. Feels great for you at that moment. That's beautiful. Maybe there's another reason. Um, that I don't know about, or there's lots of reasons. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I would really, really love to hear any of your thoughts, feelings, questions, feedback. I think this is definitely this. Not I think this is definitely something that I'm learning about, that I'm really like thinking about in a different way about. And I think it's kind of a new, unusual concept, to be honest, in our culture. Even when I was talking about with other practitioners, with other platonic cuddle therapists, they're like, "Huh, yeah, I never really thought about like asking feedback or checking in about like what level of intensity works best for the person." So I'd love that. Including constructive criticism as always. And specifically, I'm wondering about, is this something that I should bring up in my welcome conversations, like every time, either when I'm talking, doing like a free call, free phone or video call before a session, or in my like welcome conversation in person before someone's first session. Is this something I should bring up, or may bring up somewhere in the first session? Or yeah, I would love to hear your feedback. That's how I learn. Thank you so much for sharing this journey with me. Yeah, and I do want to let you know that I'm completely on your side. I want you to have whatever you want in your life. Take good care of yourself.